Hi, hello, ExcellentSlides here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media. In this video particular, I will teach you how to design this minimalistic green slide in PowerPoint as usual. Alright, so let's get started. Actually, I created this slide in about 2 minutes. And actually it took me only 2 minutes because I wanted this slide to be really minimalistic. Generally, minimalism is a really modern thing in our world nowadays, and it's generally in minimalistic slide there are no much shapes, objects, etc. because it just needs to be minimalistic, right? So use at least shapes, pictures, texts, etc. So as you can see on this slide, here we have a photo of some plant, and generally, as you can perceive, I only used one color and I just picked this color from this photo. So let's get started. You have to create a new slide as usual. Alright, so the first step will be this photo. I took this photo from pexels.com. I just resized it to this kind of size, and I just placed it in the middle. So picture format, align, and align middle perfectly. And now we have to move this picture to the right a little bit. I think like here. Alright, and when I had this photo, I was thinking what we can create as a second shape. So I just thought it will be really cool to create a rectangle just under this photo. So let's do so. Change the size to maybe something like here and position it right here. Alright, so now as you can see, this shape is right above this photo, but we want this shape to be right under. So right click on it and we can send it to back. Alright, so as you can see now, photo is above, but we also need to change this color. So go to the shape format, shape fill, eyedropper, and we will take this color. Alright, perfectly. The next step is maybe, I think this is a title. So I used Poppins font. This is a body text. It is a gray color, and this is Poppins light. And a title is Poppins, and this is a bold version. Alright, so we will just copy it and paste it right here. And I thought also to insert between the title and body text some kind of a divider. So it is, actually, usually in your slides, in your presentations, I really recommend to use these kind of shapes that divide sections between titles and your body text. So also, color is the same like this one. And maybe the next thing is to insert this kind of a shape. So it's also really easy. I just inserted a new shape, and you may wonder what color is it. Actually, it's the color of this shape, but as you can see right here, I changed transparency to 90%, and it looks really cool. So the last thing is this tiny rectangle here in the left bottom corner, so also insert it right here. So let's compare our slides. So this is an original slide and this is a new slide. Of course, they are not perfect because this rectangle is a different size, but I think they are both really cool. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, give us comment below and like below. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.